Shivaya, myself Akash.
Myself Nive.
We are mind benders from Amritsar, Dalsheri.
Here we are going to introduce our project.
Our innovation title is Smart Irrigation Machine, which is fully automatic and used in agricultural field. By using this smart irrigation machine, we can conserve more water that is misused with the normal irrigation system. This can also increase productivity.
The salient features are real-time soil moisture measuring system for monitoring the moisture of soil, smart water flow measuring system for measuring the flow of water, conserving water by adjusting the flow of water, preventing soil consolidation by monitoring the soil every time. Conserving water is the main aim of today's world. But in agricultural systems, some farmers are using normal irrigation system and a large quantity of water is wasted.
So as a solution, we are inventing smart irrigating machine, which can conserve more water and more useful for farmers. By this, we can also increase productivity and can prevent soil concentration.
Also, farmers are able to check the soil moisture level, which will be displayed in the screen. So the crops will be well maintained. By this, farmers can reduce their working time. We have researched in internet and conducted survey for getting more information about smart irrigating machine.
We have interviewed some farmers and also agriculture officers.
Also, we have got two SDGs, clean water and sanitation,
industry innovations and infrastructure.
It benefits the society as
it is more efficient for farmers and agriculture system.
Low human labor is required.
Restoring water as needed while minimizing the excess of water use.
It also allows controlling the amount of water delivered to the plants when it is needed. We used two microbits,
a Lego kit,
a clear tubing pipe,
a kitten board,
a mini water pump,
a moisture sensor,
a servo motor,
a color sensor,
a grout sheet,
and a nozzle.
When the soil is dry, the microbit send a message to the other microbit fitted on the Lego brick to turn the servo and show the green bar which has been fitted on the servo to the color sensor. Then the color sensor dictates the color and starts to allow the irrigating machine to move the entire plot. On this time, when the machine is moving, the water pump starts to pump the water out and water the plants. After watering the entire field, the machine goes to its starting position and starts to charge. The machine will only pump a required water to flow out and it will measure the flow of water. Through this, farmers can also discover the moisture level of soil which will display in a screen. So the farmers can reduce their working time by this method and they can buy it for an affordable cost. Our innovation will solve a large problem between agricultural system and conservation of water. Our main aim is that to conserve water and to help farmers in a better way. My part was prototype designing, research and Lego programming.
And my part was microbit coding, survey conducting and modeling.